Hey, it's Chris Welch with The Verge here at Samsung's Unpacked event in Brooklyn, New York, where we just saw a lot of stuff. We saw the Note 9, the new Galaxy Watch, and we got our first look at the long-rumored Bixby speaker, which we now know is called Galaxy Home. So the speaker itself, the design is interesting. It's much bigger than any of its competitors. There are several speakers inside, really premium components, upscale sound, and there's fabric running around it. You've got rubberized touch buttons on top, a single power wire running into it, no aux input, which is kind of disappointing to see from Samsung, the headphone jack company. So Samsung brought out Spotify CEO Daniel Ek on stage to announce a long-term partnership with the company. Apple has Apple Music for its HomePod, Amazon has a music service, but Samsung is going to ride on Spotify for its speakers, its phones, its watches. It's even going to put Spotify on Samsung's refrigerators. So Spotify is going to be everywhere. It's going to take a while, but they're making this sound like a big deal. It's going to last a long time. So just like Apple's HomePod and the other speakers, you can start listening to music on your phone and send it over to the Galaxy Home and keep listening there. So Samsung spent a lot of time talking about Bixby, which has a bad rap compared to Siri and Google Assistant. The company is really trying to make it smarter and more capable. It's a hard hill to overcome because by now, Bixby's reputation might be pretty tarnished. We couldn't actually try or test out the speakers ourselves, but they brought out 160 Galaxy Homes and played them all at once, and that sounded pretty awesome. Hear it for yourself.
Hi, Bixby.
Besides that, we don't know many details or a price or when this thing's coming out. Samsung just kind of brought it out, big old stage show, and said, it's here, this is our speaker, coming soon, and kind of left it at that. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our full review of the Galaxy Note 9 coming very soon, and subscribe to The Verge on YouTube.